Hi there. So this is a small update to the YF17 case, now the simulation in Fluent. So previously in the Biscos in the directory case where you have all the files, I made a mistake and I didn't add the mesh with the inflation layer. So now here in the Biscos you have two directories, BL, no BL, BL, boundary layer, no with inflation layer, prismatic layer, call it whatever you want. No BL, the one without that addition, the one used for the basics. So you will find there all the solutions now, the cases, and also the inside. Okay, so you want to rerun, do your own setup, and also you have to file with the timings, no BL, so you can compare. And to show you here you have the visualization. So as you can see here, this is Fluent Biscuits with the boundary layer. So look at the white plus is something, let's say the largest can be probably 1,000. So it's okay here, the one with no BL, now the original mesh with the one download from the CGNS website. You have a, let's say, white plus pretty much out of the range. So let's see precisely what will be the range of that one, and see that it will be something, well, 10,000, so pretty much out of the range. So this, you can see the influence of the boundary layer, now that prismatic layer in your solution. Clearly, likely this will be a much better solution. And to show you also here, I think, yeah, I have the slice there. Oh, that's the wrong one, it should be here and there. And we can take a look at the difference. So this is basically what we added, and this simple addition of this layer changed a lot the solution. Now you can check that in the Y plus value. And finally, let me show you also the vortices there and smoothing everything. So let me put it here. So I smooth the structures, not the contours, so to have something nicer. Again, let me go here. Okay. And this is it. So as you can see, very similar structures. Yeah, there are some differences, like the mesh, this one with the viscous layers, it's much better. And actually, look at that, adding those layers, it will capture some shear layers in the flow, the Q criterion. This is what kind of noise you see here. So pretty much, yeah, by adding those layers, you can see how great, how the solution change, likely for the better. So this is it. Hope you enjoy, and see you next time. Bye.